Hey, welcome to Visualz. We're going to do some tutorials of the effects panel here, starting with Pixelate. So let's jump right in. It's a Pixelate effect. As it sounds like, you can adjust the size here. Then there's the second property here, Audio, which has these properties, Beat, Sweep, and React. Let's discuss what those do. If you set it to Beat, and then you have music coming through the analyzer here, you will see what it does. But let's add some media. This video. There we go. Turn it on to Beat, and then play. Cool. So basically what's happening there is the Pixelate is turning on and off when a beat event is picked up here in the audio analyzer. That beat event threshold can be adjusted in the track settings here. Let's replicate that clip and adjust it to sweep. So you can see what's happening here. It's the pixel size is sweeping up and down. And then if we replicate that clip one more time and we set it to react, you can see what will happen when you start playing music. It will react to the volume amplitude. And then when you, let's say, play it all together, that's pretty cool. Might look a little cooler if we add one more. We remove all the effects just to get some original content. That's pretty cool. And that's the Pixelate effect.